weather threat level increased for a portion of the Metroplex this morning. So where do we stand now, and could things potentially increase again?
I don't think so, Madison. I think we're pretty good on that severe threat and kind of the area that's highlighted. But yeah, you're right. The slight risk did now get bumped to include most of the Metroplex. That happened this morning, and I'll get to that in one moment. I want to show you what you're dealing with at midday, and that is some heavy cloud cover, but dry conditions as a cold front is stalled over the region. And you can kind of see the divide in our temperatures. We're on the warm side of this front, so just off to the north, some cooler air. Lubbock at 54. We're almost to 70 here in DFW, 73 down around Austin. So again, that warmer side of the front is where we are. That will help us to kind of have the ingredients in play to see some storms later on today. We've watched as the dew point goes up, so moisture content kind of rising as well. 69 for the current temperature. Southeast winds, again, telling us that we're on the warm side of this front, and those will stay breezy, 10 to 20 miles per hour. As we look at this temperature trend, most of us are at least in the upper 60s, if not the low 70s, where they've got the sunshine, Palestine to Hillsborough, easily there in the low to mid 70s. So here's the rest of today's forecast. We'll get into the low to mid 80s. It is another abnormally warm day for us, but it's really the last one for a while. And then we start to notice those storm chances by early this evening. Those will take us into tonight. But focusing again on this is not going to impact everyone. So let's talk about who it is going to impact. And I think this is location southwest, and then it could be as far north as the Metroplex. So as that front slowly kind of meanders to the east and southeast, this is 5, 6 o'clock. We're seeing that initial development from Comanche to around Hamilton to Stephenville. But that little complex is looking like it could work its way north. And that's why the Metroplex got included in that slight risk. So Fort Worth, Dallas, Denton, McKinney, we're all kind of involved in watching for that potential mid to late evening for a couple of stronger to maybe severe storms, mostly due to large hail. Front pushes south after midnight. I think we're watching as the severe threat is very much going down, maybe a little bit of leftover rainfall. And what do you know? This is an update, Madison. Okay, I lied. We have another update on this, and that is that the slight risk got pushed back again. Now it's back to the south. That's good news. So it looks like they're thinking the severe threat is lower for the Metroplex, but I still want to say, let's watch the radar. Large hail is still at play, up to 2 inches with any storm that develops. And after that, we have rain chances on and off this week. It's not going to rain every day, all day, but our storm track has totally shifted as we move on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We've got several disturbances kind of brushing by our region, and that's why we have this wet forecast. Could see 1 to 2 inches of rain by the time it's all said and done. Madison?
Annalise, don't feel bad. You are literally forecasting and trying to predict the future. Obviously, things can rapidly change when you're dealing with the weather.